This guide will walk you through the NEOS Marine Facilities Planning website to plan expeditions. To begin, choose a port of departure of your liking followed by a port of arrival. These ports may or may not be the same. You can see your selected ports on the map. Then choose an appropriate vessel. Here you can edit the layers. You can choose if you want marine zones like the Exclusive Economic Zone, marine protected areas, territorial seas, and more to be visible or not. This will provide you with visual information beneficial for planning your expedition. Once you select the layers of your liking, you can move on to adding your research stations on the map. Simply click on the type of research instrument you want and add them to locations of your choosing. Keep in mind that some of these locations could be in marine protected areas or territorial seas. You can change your research duration at each station and edit the name for each station via the dashboard on the left. By selecting and dragging the stations, you can also change the order of your plan. However, if you want to use a straightforward order, simply click on Suggest Order and you will be given the quickest and most appropriate route. Via the Statistics button, you can gain insights into some information regarding the travel and station times, distances, and fuel consumption. This information might be useful for your cruise proposal. Finally, after having your plan laid out, you can download the map area and the coordinates via the Export button. And to use the same data again, you can simply upload the files via the Import button. Please visit these websites for more information.